What's up, Logan? Oh wait, shit. Now we got my face in here, so we're good. Just going over your videos, make it look a little better, and just getting the text. So you can kind of see as you get further along in this squat, it looks like your chest is starting to come further and further down and down. So that's going to cause some stress in your lower back here. You want to try to stay as upright as possible when you're squatting. So yeah, you see how right there your chest kind of caved down a little bit. And you saw it on that last rep right here too. Go back. As you go down, you see how your... Damn, it won't let me do that. As you come down, your chest starts here, and then you come down with your chest. You want to keep your chest in the same spot and just lower with your legs. So we don't make this get your back involved at all. You just want to keep it on your legs. But other than that, form is great. Legs look good. Deadlift 1 by 1. I think this is the 1 by 1. This form was perfect, like compared to where we started to where we are now. This is awesome. You're getting a good brace into, squeezing the core, coming straight up. Like that was awesome. It was perfect. I think you got a lot more weight in you though. I think you called that like RPE 7.5. I think you probably had more. It always looks easier on video though than how it feels. So feel comfortable pushing yourself this last week because we have a deload coming up. Just don't injure yourself. But your form is looking great. Progress is there as well. Bench setup look great. Pulling your legs back, pulling your shoulders down and together, bending that bar. And you come right up. So the one thing I wanted to talk about is I think you may be coming too far back over your head. I think you might be over your eyes. You want to stay around your chin because as the weight gets heavier, if you do this, it's going to fall backwards. And you're less strong in that position. So don't go too far up. Stay at your chin, max. But everything else looked pretty good. The only thing I might want to play around with after this program, since we haven't really played around with it at all yet, is going even wider on your grip. I think you're putting your pinky on this ring right here. Yeah, not even actually. So we were going to move out to probably after this program to where your pointer finger will be on the ring and the bar. And that'll add a lot of strength as well. Because your close grip and your normal grip is like very close. It's not that far. It's like about a couple inches apart. That would look awesome. The one thing is like you kind of messed up the bar path a little bit as you came up. You came up and then see how you're coming too far back really fast. So instead of pushing straight up at a, not straight up, but like in a similar path, you kind of went up, back, up. So get that one path, fluid motion, and you'll feel a lot stronger. I think this tempo squat. Yeah, this tempo squat, perfect tempo. You're getting really deep. Mobility looks like it's improving a ton. Same thing. As you come down though, you let your chest kind of fall forward. You want to stay upright. It'll bring some pressure off your back. What is this? 3. Yeah, same thing. Everything looks pretty well, except same thing. Your chest falls forward a little bit. Let's see if I have any other notes in here. This is your close grip. See, your close grip's like pretty similar to your normal grip. But dude, your form is so much better than it was before, so big improvements. So it's your last week of the program. Feel comfortable maybe pushing a little more than you normally do because you're going to have a deload after this. I'd even recommend being a little more lenient on the singles and then pushing a little heavier on the sets of 5 and the sets of 3 because it's still less likely you fail even if you push that hard. It's worse failing with a single than it is with 3 by 5 on squat. The last thing is make sure you saw on your jumps, like that first week to that second week, you had pretty big jumps in your weight. So that kind of made it to where that next week after you had to come back a little bit. Like maybe you jumped 15 pounds that from week 1 to week 2. And then after that, you jumped from 15 pounds only going up 5 pounds. And that's because you took such a big jump. So you want to try to even it out between the weeks. So instead of jumping 15 pounds in 5, you jump 10 and 10. Yeah, that's all I got for you, man. You killed it. So let's kill this last week of the program. Hit some PRs. Have a good one, man.